Very warm good morning to all my dear students. Today we will be going to do the writing skill, and in that writing skill section today I will be going to teach you about the email writing. Email writing is very important because it is one of the fastest way to communicate our message to the person. So what do you mean by the word email? E stands for electronic. So when we talk about the email, it is an electronic mail which is very popular mean of communication over the internet, and this is one of the medium through which we can easily communicate our message in a very efficient and a very quick manner. But the most important thing for writing the email is that if we want to write an email at that very moment, we need the email id of ourselves. Along with that, to whom we are going to write the email, that person should also have the email account. So once both the sender and the receiver, if both of them are having the email account, it becomes very easy to send and to receive the message. Okay, so in your book you must have seen that there is a format given there, and you can see that it is all together written in the box. So whenever you are writing a message or a notice or an email, even a letter, we have to write everything in the box, and everything has to be written on the left hand side of the page. Means at the extreme corner of the left side we have to address the thing. Now in your book it is written on the very top, you can see it is written to, and then BCC and CC is written at the right hand side. Okay, so somewhere this format which is given in your book is not very proper. So I have another format which is very correct. So when we are writing the format, you can see here that on the top we have made the box. As you can see, I have made the box here, and in that very box you will find that when I am writing the email, I wrote on the top. In your book it is not given in that manner. Okay, so here when you write the email, on the top you have to write from, and from means the person who is sending. So if you are sending the email, you have to write your own email id. So here the girl Nandini Kumar is sending the email, and then to whom the girl is sending the message. So next comes after from, just consequently on the very next line you can see that I have written to here. So when you write to, that means you are going to write or send an email to a particular person. So what I said, that the receiver should also have the email id. So here where to whom we are sending, that person's email id has to be written. Then the third one is your CC. CC is a carbon copy. If you want to keep the carbon copy of what you are sending the mail to the person, then you can write it there. And then next is the BCC. If you want to keep it a secret, and you want to share only with one or two people, and you want that other person cannot able to see that, then we use the BCC. So mostly the CC and the BCC section is not, we are not using mostly whenever we are writing the email, but according to the format it is must, and that is why we wrote from followed by to, followed by CC, and followed by BCC. Then we write the date. So whatever is the date is, as I wrote it on 16th of September, so you can write 16th September. You can write today's date, today is 26th, so you can write 26th of September. Then followed by the subject. Why are you writing this? So here the inconvenience caused by the construction of the building. So that might be the topic. So write that subject. What is the topic? Why are you writing the email to the particular person? And then the salutation. So when you write the salutation, you can see again on the left hand extreme corner I wrote the salutation. Here you can write dear sir, respected sir. You can write if you are writing to someone very close to you, so my dearest, and so on. These are the words which are used for the salutation. Then you begin the body of the email. So in the body give the introduction, then the main topic on which you are trying to make the person understand what you want to convey to him with the help of this email. So that content will come. And then lastly, in the conclusion, you have to write about the content, and then you are greeting the person by either using the word kindly or may I request you, or so on. And then the subscription. So when we write the subscription, we either say thanking you or thank you, yours truly, or we can write regards. Okay, in the group also you might have seen teachers are addressing regards, and then they give their own name. So that is the subscription part of the letter or the email writing. So these are very important content, and we have to follow this. Okay, so here, as I wrote one of the email to a person whose name is Ashok Rajput, and we are addressing to the person because we are facing some inconvenience because of the construction of the building. So the girl is writing, she is giving her identification to the person that I am Nandini Kumar, a student of a particular area, and would like to draw your attention towards the inconvenience which are caused because of the construction going on in a particular building. Then this is just an introductory part. Then coming to the main body of the part. Then in the main section, what are the problems you are facing? So at that very time, we have to write from last 2 weeks as the construction was going on. So heavy equipments are used, which creates a lot of noises, and due to which we are suffering from severe headache, and the children are unable to concentrate in their studies. This is the middle part of the body of the email, and then comes the conclusion. So during in the conclusion, you have to write, I request you to kindly to take this matter into your consideration and do the needful. So this is how you can write an email. And then lastly, as I said, that in the subscription you can write thanking you, you can write thank you, then regards, or your truly, your sincerely, or so on, whatever it is. No, so generally we write the word truly. So you can write truly, or we can write regards, and we can name out ours or the person who is writing. So this is about the email writing, how to write an email. Okay. Now coming to the according to your book, here it is a letter written by Revati, and she wrote a girl wrote Prisha wrote to Revati. So Prisha's email ID should be written, which is missing in our book. It should be there, and then followed by the address of Revati as it is given in our book. And then what is the topic? The topic is the result of the inter-school competition, which is already given in your book, and I have already dealt you with this email in our class when I was teaching you the email. So you can see here also that the salutation is there, and then the main part of the body, and then the subscription, and then below that, these are all the things which are already there in our computer or in our laptop. So you will find below that there is a sign of send, then attachment, and then drive, and then link, and so on. So if you want to send anything, with the help of this you can send the material to. Supposing you want to send some attachment, so you can see one pin sign is there, so you just click to that, and then finally whatever the attachment you want to send, that will be attached there. Okay, if you want to share anything with the help of the link, so you can find one link given here, so you can share that link. If you want to share something from the Google Drive, so you can see the drives is also given, that sign is there, so you can click there. So all these things are already there in our email. Only the thing is, we should know how to write the email correctly. I hope now you have understood how to write the email. Okay, so once again, just for the conclusion, when we write the email, we make a box, then we start with the email ID of the person who is sending, then we write the email ID of the person to whom we want to send, then CC, then BCC, then the date, and then followed by the subject. After the subject, we write the salutation, then the main body of the email, followed by the conclusion, and then subscription and attachments if you want. Okay, so this is all about today's class. I will be giving you some questions related to that. Try to solve it. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself.